going to a different country, Kyrgyzstan. So just stopped to get some petrol, but listen to funky music. And it even gets better with the singing.
Around 150 meters need to walk.
Well, we're through the border. Now we're going to find our driver. So that's it, we're in Kyrgyzstan. So we're about a minute away from the hotel, and we've got a Kyrgyzstan version of Agadoo. Made it. Bishkek Park. Looking for a bank to change some money. It's our first job. It looks like any of the mall that you're going to. Managed to find changer. So there we are, got our Kyrgyzstan money. In the supermarket, look how much the beer costs. About 65 pence for a litre of beer. You just want a little snifter of vodka. 21 pence. That'll do you, 21 pence. In a Bishkek underpass, different from the Kazakh ones, loads of little shops and stores. Here we are, Manas's sculpture area. Manas's look up on the horse, slaying a dragon, I think. So, look at him. This building behind me is the White House, the presidential palace, massive. These things all over, but I'm wondering what they are. I can read it, Kavak, but I don't know what it actually is, but you get them everywhere. I'm going to buy some, see what it's like. I'm going to buy that for 10 som. The way to describe that drink was like, it's like a milkshake texture, but earthy flavour. Another good statue. The struggle, yeah. Yeah, I was here about 9 years ago, and I recognise this. So you're just walking down here because there's a massive statue of Lenin. You'll see it around here. Magnificent building opposite, and people in their wedding dresses. So we're rushing now because it's the changing of the guard. You can see them, they're going up the steps. Perfect timing. Just heading somewhere else, but there's a gentleman walking up here with the traditional Kyrg headwear. Soviet stuff. Excellent. Across another statue. I think this woman, she was like a hero of the communist era, tried to fight for women's rights, and she got murdered for it by the local menfolk. Freedom monument representing like a yurt and all the men who lost their lives in the wars. Horrible drink that I had earlier. There's even vans carrying it around. We saw it in a supermarket. What is it? So we're back near that central square, Alu Tau Square, I think. Walking through the arches out the other side into this quite gorgeous little area. It's about 10 minutes from our hotel. It's a happening place, bars and restaurants. Yeah, it's really good. Right, so in we go. Let's see what we find. Need to buy some socks. 3 for 100, so 3 for a quid. Perfect. Beautiful pieces of bread. Get your fruit and veg. Osh Bazaar, eh? Last time I was here 9 years ago, I got arrested. Got taken to some little side room. Got questioned. Don't know why, but they let me go in the end. So if you want your pepper, or your pumpkin or your lettuce, it's the place to buy them from. I've just been informed it's a cabbage. That's how much I know. The apricots in Kyrgyzstan are the nicest that you can taste. Very tasty. That's it. Osh Bazaar done. Absolutely stunning. So he's the man who the park was named for, Panfilov. So, cheers from Kyrgyzstan, 85 pence.